talk about the Revenge trucks and the gravity drifter wheels. I'll start off with the wheels. They're probably the best sliding wheels I've used. The only problem with them is it takes a little while for them to break in, but that's all. They're really good. The Revenge trucks, by far the best carving trucks I've used. I have no problem with them whatsoever, and the bushings didn't take any time to break in, so perfect trucks if you're into carving. And then there's one other wheel, the gravity burners. They're more carby, so they go good with these trucks. So if you're thinking about getting these trucks and these wheels and you're into carving, definitely get the gravity burners. If you want to slide, go with the drifters. Thank you. Bye.